Hello my loves. So today is going to be a vlog style video. We are going to be doing our Christmas tree together as a family. It is going to be rodeo themed because I asked you guys on my Instagram, should I do a rodeo Christmas tree this year? And I think 87% of you said, yes, do it. So I'm going to try it out. I've never done this before. If you are new to my channel, hi, I'm Mel. I would love for you to join the fam, so make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click that bell so you're notified each time I upload. So everyone's going to get involved. Hubby is going to get involved, but he'll be wearing a mask. As you know, for those of you that are new to my channel, he's a little bit private, so I respect that, but he still wants to be involved. So in the spirit of putting up the tree, we are wearing, it's one of our traditions to wear red or green. Actually, when the whole family gets together, that's what we do, but we thought we'll do this for this video too. So I'm wearing my Mim and Lily silk blouse. This is the first one I created with pearl buttons. I will leave it linked in the description bar below because there is a sale going on at the moment. And I've got my little reindeer earrings, and Miss S is also wearing red. Say hi.
Hi.
And what earrings have you got on?
I've got little present earrings and they're really cute.
And hubby and Sunshine decided to wear green. So they're not here at the moment, but you'll see them putting up the Christmas tree. They're wearing green and we're wearing red. Put it up, yay!
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing.
Let there be lights.
Yeah, isn't that amazing?
So as you can see, we've got the Christmas tree up and the lights. So I'm gonna get Sunshine and Miss S to, let's go upstairs and grab the rodeos.
Whoa, oh, oh. Da, da, da.
Okay, this is a familiar sight. You guys know this is how I store my rodeos. If you want to see my entire rodeo collection, I will leave the link up here, but this is how I display my stable. So I'm going to get Sunshine to start collecting them all and we'll start bringing them down. Hi, Sunshine. And Miss S. All right, so let's get them all off as much as you can carry.
As much as I can carry, or
Just do a few in each hand. I mean like both hands, like piles. It's getting empty. Collect some as well. Whoops. Maybe get, that's one hand, maybe you can grab the big ones on the other hand. Miss S, got everything? Oh, look at Miss S. Okay, we've got them all. Oh, two more down the bottom. All right, let's see. They're all together. Whoa, let's go down.
I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time.
Okay, so as you guys saw, that was tougher than I thought to sort of put them all up, but I think they look really good. I actually don't have enough rodeos to fill up my tree. I mean, we did 3/4 of it, so the sides, but the back is empty. And let me go around here. So as you can see, it's pretty empty kind of here too. There's still some, probably have to spread it out. So I'm really liking how that is looking so far. So in here is, can you tell from the size of the box? Actually, this box bigger. So, but it is a little new pet. Can I say pet? And in here I have my new rodeo. And this is in the color. Does it have the color here? I forgot the color. I think it's Texas, I believe. Anyway, it's one of the new colorways. So I am going to add that to the tree. It's a really fun colorway. And let's go and add the other items that I was thinking about. Okay, so I think what I will do is in here, I have got my twirly boxes, and I think that this would be good to help fill up the tree. So I'm going to get the kids and hubby and let's do that together.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Just for those of you wondering, these lights are LED lights, so they actually don't get hot. So the horsies are safe. I actually did do a little test beforehand, and as long as you hang them up, you know, sort of in between, or even if they're sitting on the branches, they're okay. They're actually quite hardy, aren't you? Yes, I am. So I'm really happy with how it looks. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. Guys, so Merry Christmas. I hope you enjoyed this fun vlog putting up our tray and unboxing some goodies. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and we'll catch you soon in my next video. Bye! So the lights definitely took a lot longer than we thought. Here is Sunshine, not knowing that I'm going to put this in. He's probably going to kill me. But we had so much fun, and of course Miss S is such a daddy's girl, always a daddy's girl. And of course Miss S had to join in the fun and give a bit of camera action. And oh, by the way, I started a new hashtag. It's hashtag HERMES RODEO Club. So if you guys are on Instagram, do tag me on your post or on your stories. I thought it'll be fun. I know not everyone gets this craziness of this obsession, but they are really popular. So do tag me. I think it's just fun for us horse lovers to share our little obsession together.